Welcome to Neurolink meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this space, notice the gentle rhythm of your breath, moving in and out effortlessly, naturally, like the ebb and flow of a calm ocean tide. Each inhale draws in peace. Each exhale releases any tension you might be holding anywhere in your body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. And in this moment, you are safe. You are supported. You are exactly where you need to be. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, allow your awareness to soften, to settle deeper into the present moment, where all transformation begins. And now, I invite you to bring to mind a simple memory, a moment when you felt a spark of gratitude. Perhaps the warmth of sunlight on your skin, the sound of laughter from someone you love, the taste of a meal that nourished you, or the quiet comfort of a familiar space. It doesn't have to be dramatic. It can be the smallest thing, a single note of appreciation that resonated. Now, I want you to imagine that you are standing in a beautiful garden, a garden that represents your life. Keishai, the air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers, the gentle hum of bees, the soft rustle of leaves in a warm breeze. Now, and as you walk along the path, you notice that every flower, every blade of grass, every ray of sunlight is a gift, a blessing you have received. Some flowers are tall and vibrant, representing the big joys, your health, your loved ones, your achievements. That others are small and delicate, hidden in the shade, representing the quiet moments of grace. A kind word, a moment of peace, a lesson learned, and as you walk, you feel a deep, unshakable gratitude for every single one of them, for they have all contributed to the richness of your being. Now, as you stand in the center of this garden, you notice a gentle warmth spreading through your body, a warmth that is the essence of joy itself. This joy is not dependent on anything outside of you. It is a natural expression of your true self, a light that shines from within, regardless of circumstances. And you realize that gratitude is the key that unlocks this joy, the doorway that opens to a life of abundance and fulfillment. Now, I am going to speak. With every breath I take, I am opening my heart to the infinite gifts that surround me. I see the beauty in the ordinary, the magic in the mundane, the grace in every moment. I am grateful for the air that fills my lungs, the earth that supports my feet, the sun that warms my skin. And this gratitude expands into a deep, abiding joy that colors everything I experience. I feel joy rising within me like a fountain of pure light, bubbling up from the depths of my soul. It flows through my veins, it dances in my cells, it illuminates my thoughts. Joy is my natural state, and I welcome it fully, without resistance. I am a vessel of joy, and I share this joy with everyone I meet, simply by being myself. I am deeply grateful for the people in my life, for the love that connects us, for the lessons we learn together. I appreciate the kindness of strangers, the support of friends, the wisdom of family, and I am grateful for myself, for my courage, my resilience, my capacity to love. I am worthy of joy, and I allow myself to experience it fully, without guilt, without hesitation, and that every challenge I have faced has been a teacher, every struggle a gift in disguise. I am grateful for the strength I have gained, the wisdom I have earned, the compassion I have developed. And I know that even in difficult moments, joy is present, waiting to be discovered, like a flower growing through concrete. I am surrounded by abundance, a river of blessings that flows endlessly, without limit. In Model, I am grateful for the food that nourishes me, the shelter that protects me, the opportunities that unfold before me. I am a beacon of gratitude, and my life is filled with joy because I choose to see it. I am joyful in this moment, right here, right now. I do not wait for a future condition to be happy. I am happy now, simply because I am alive, because I am aware. Because I am aware, Pahazdab, I am breathing because I am aware. With each breath, I am anchoring this feeling of gratitude and joy deep within my being. I am creating a neural pathway, a new pattern of thought and feeling that becomes stronger with every repetition. I am a beacon of gratitude and joy deep within my being. I am creating a neural pathway, a new pattern of thought and feeling that becomes stronger with every repetition. This state of appreciation is now a part of me, accessible at any moment with a simple breath, a simple thought, a simple smile. I am reprogramming my mind for happiness, for peace, for love. And now I invite you to take this feeling, this beautiful, warm, radiant feeling of gratitude and joy, and imagine it as a golden light that fills every cell of your body. You are a source of gratitude, a fountain of joy, a beacon of light in the world. Abidest tide sided, a smaid of Fermain. I ain't be canned of bodest tide. He provided with connection, he was on bang to taking. In each time you notice, your joy will deepen, your gratitude will expand, and your life will become richer, fuller, more meaningful. And I am grateful for this moment, for this practice, for the transformation that is already taking place within me. I trust the process. I trust myself. I trust the universe. And I know that as I continue to cultivate gratitude and joy, my life will reflect this inner state, attracting experiences that match my vibration. Now, take a final deep breath, and as you exhale, bring your awareness back to the room, to the sensation of your body sitting or lying down, to the sounds around you. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you, holding you. Know that you carry this gratitude and joy with you, embedded in your being, ready to be accessed whenever you choose. And as you gently begin to move your fingers and toes, your hands and feet, you bring this transformation into your waking life. You are grateful. You are joyful. You are whole. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.